Demand for tablet has been increased significantly ever since the pandemic started, especially for students that require them for online classes. On my hand here is a 10.5-inch Samsung tablet that going for sub Rm 1000 ringgit. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast episode 48. I do short and fast tech reviews on the channel. That's how the name came about. Today we'll be checking out the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. I'll begin with the design. Offered in two color options, the grey color which I have it here and pink gold. Made of metals on the back and Corning Gorilla Glass protections on the display. And 8 megapixel cameras on the rear with autofocus and a 5 megapixel front camera which is decent for video calls and online classes. You'll find the power buttons and volume rockers on the top. The Dolby Atmos certified quad speakers are located on both sides where I find it impressively loud and solid. A USB-C port on the right for charging and also support peripherals input like keyboard, mouse and USB storage. It doesn't support display out nor Samsung DeX. There's also a 3.5mm audio combo port and a microSD card for storage expansions that can go up to 1TB. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 is very sleek in design at only 6.9mm thickness and 508 grams, sporting a 10.5-inch TFT UXGA resolutions with decent bezel size, which is just perfect for resting my thumbs while operating the tablet. If you notice, the bezels are symmetrical. Samsung is well known for making great display. Unfortunately, not in this case. Samsung decided to use a TFT panels instead of an IPS. It has a pretty dull colored reproductions output and a poorer viewing angle. Anyhow, this is a budget tablet and has a pretty decent 216 pixels per inch. It can play back videos in Full HD without any issues on Netflix and YouTube. Coming to performance, this Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 is powered by Uni-SoC Tiger T618 and paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB onboard storage. Some may have not heard of them. They are very popular on budget and entry-level devices in China and India markets. Little to know, Uni-SoC is the fourth largest smartphone chipset makers in 2021 after MediaTek, Qualcomm, Apple, and even ousted Samsung. So how does this perform? Based on the benchmark test with Geekbench 5 and PCMark 10, the Uni-SoC Tiger's T618 performs similar or on par with Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 and MediaTek Helio G80. It does stutter when coming to loadings and switching apps. Although it only has 3GB of RAM, the multitasking is well optimized here, albeit the stutter experience. I can run two apps side by side and adjust the window size if required. I can even drag and drop text or images from one window to the others. Coming to gaming, I can play Asphalt 9 and PUBG Mobile at medium setting without much hassle. The 32GB storage is considered very small for 2022 standard, but luckily it comes with a microSD card slot which I can transfer apps into it. Battery wise, it's packed with a 7040 mAh battery. Good thing it comes with a power adapters and a USB charging cable, but the provided 7.75 watt charger is gonna take easily 6 hours to fully charge the Galaxy Tab A8. Fortunately, the tablet supports 15 watt fast charging, so it will cut the charging time into half, but you need to get the chargers separately. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 is one solid entry-level tablet with premium builds and design. The One UI 3.1 based on Android 11 is pretty optimized for tablets. The only drawback are poor displays, average performance and limited accessories that could pair with this tablet like keyboard and stylus. That's all from me on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. A written review will be made available on my website. The link will be in the description box as well. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.